Hey guys, welcome to Tabletop Corner. Today I'm just taking a look at the Third Doctor and Tardis Warlord Games Doctor Who Miniatures expansion pack. Now this is a little bit different to the ones we've seen before because there are no rules for the 13th Doctor yet, and as far as I'm aware there's no rules for the TARDIS either. So there are no cards in this one. This is like purely cosmetic miniatures. But I thought I'd crack it open so we can start using the TARDIS as a bit of 3D terrain, and it might be a bit of a laugh. So pop this open. Bit of an anecdote about the 13th Doctor and toys regarding the 13th Doctor. When I was working at a toy shop over Christmas last year, a woman came in and asked if we had any Doctor Who stuff. I said we've not got much, but we've got this stuff here. Picked up this 13th Doctor doll. It was for her son, and she says, I don't think I should get him a girl doll. And I was like, well, that's the Doctor, so, you know. Anyhow, there we go. Plastic is off now. Yeah, let's take a look at this. What was interesting about this set is, you know, we got all of these expansions have been opening in one go off the Black Friday sales on Warlord Games, and this was actually more worth getting than a regular set with just the TARDIS, because I haven't actually watched any of the Jodie Whittaker series yet. You know, I'll get round to it at some point. I'm feeling like I'm not going to be a fan. It's probably going to be a case where I like her but I don't like what's going on in the series. From what I've heard, it sounds like something I'm not going to like, but you know, I'll give it a fair go. But yeah, the thing was, it was a 3 for 2 sale, so you know, if you bought this with anything that was like £14, you know, the regular TARDIS set is a tenner and this is £15. If you bought the TARDIS, the tenner would have been free, but if you buy this and the like £14 sets, this is still going to be like, one of them is going to be free. It's basically like a quid for the 13th Doctor, so it made more sense to do it this way. Interestingly, there's no Gallifrey box in there, it's just bubble wrap. So, pop this open. And first of all, we'll have a look at Jodie, shall we? She's in a little baggie. This comes with the Warlord Games base, and here she is. Oh, sorry love. Here she is. So there is the 13th Doctor. Lovely. And as you can see, she's got a hidden blade sticking out the bottom of her coat. You can see what she looks like fully painted on the back there, or you could if my camera was focusing in. It's having a bit of a mare today. Oh well. And then behind it we see the TARDIS, which is cast in blue plastic, which is nice. You know, you don't really have to paint this if you don't want to, but you know, obviously it's probably going to look a lot better if you do. Obviously TARDIS is a TARDIS, not much to say about that, but yeah, just wanted to pop this open so we could use it as some 3D terrain. So again, there you go. There's the 13th Doctor and the TARDIS expansion pack. And for today's extra content, because that wasn't really much going on, there wasn't even any cars to talk about or anything, so I thought I'd include this. Because me and my dad got so much for each other out of this Black Friday sale, we actually qualified for getting the Kahler-Tek Gunslinger promotional model. This can be obtained by spending £75 or more on the Warlord Games website. And there he is. So we'll pop him out. The Warlord Games quite often do promotions like that. They did the Fisher King previously, which I'm still trying to get my hands on. There's only one on eBay for £18 and I don't fancy that. As you can see, he's got a few bits of pewter just sticking off of him here, there and everywhere, like these bits here, and there's one on his boot, but yeah. Hopefully you can see him alright there. Again, none of these figures have rules, including Kahler-Tek, but apparently they are going to be on the way soon. And obviously, for the meantime, you can just make up your own rules if you really want to play them. But for now, thank you for watching, and goodbye.